here.
Alrighty, well, you just got a pair of floor seats for Hot GM10. Congratulations to you. It is starring Lupe Fiasco, Fabulous, Lloyd Banks, DJ Khaled and Friends, Jeremiah, New Boys, J. Cole, Big Sean, YC, and more. It's happening tomorrow night at the XL Center in downtown Hartford. Tickets are on sale right now. Ticketmaster.com. Call 860-525-4500 or go to any Ticketmaster location. It's going to be a lot of fun tomorrow, so rest up tonight. Got it?
Got it.
Plus, when you are watching the show...
So there's definitely a tornado. Small one, and I'm hoping not waiting sitting ducks.